Okay, what's up, people? Um, I want to show you a really, really cool use case here, which is to do with parameters that can help you process your data more efficiently. So if I edit this pipeline, I'll just tell you through what's happening here. So we're ingesting some data into our data warehouse, and then we're running our dbt. But as you can see, there's a lot of stuff going on here. Like some of these things take a short amount of time, some of these things take a long amount of time. And what we want to do is we want to run dbt jobs when the relevant data sources have been loaded. Now, this can be janky. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to use parameters to tell Orchestra what to run and then parameterize the dbt command. So here we can see I've got a parameter which is referencing a field called dbt tables, and then we're going to build those. So if we take a look at this Python ingest file, we can edit it and see what's going down. So we don't actually even need to set any environments in here. All we have to do is update this task run from Orchestra. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Okay, so I'm here in the Python file that I'm calling, and we're essentially going to do some data ingestion, but then when it's done, we're going to create this object called data, and here we're going to set a variable called dbt tables, and then we're going to set the value. So in this case, because I'm moving in the event parameters data and some of the deals data, I'm going to want to run the model's event parameters and deals clean and all of their downstream dependencies. This value is going to get passed through to the dbt job, which is super cool. The other thing just to be wary of is because you're going to make an API request to Orchestra, you need the Orchestra API key set as an environment variable, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. But, you know, it's super simple, right? It's like you could easily wrap this and abstract it away. And then just like that, you can have orchestration between basically any sort of like sub-process, and then also downstream things like dbt. So this is what the code is doing. Let me show you how it looks in Orchestra. Cool. So I've headed over to my integrations page just because I wanted to show you this Orchestra API key. That is going to set the API key as an environment variable for the Python task so that it's accessible in the script that I just showed you. This is quite important. You need to do this. Now, if we go ahead and look and see what's happened, we can see we've run the event parameters model and we've got the deals clean model. If we take a look at this Python ingest task, we can see an output has been set. So dbt tables, and then this is the command, which is pretty cool. And then if we look at the dbt event that's run, you can see we've passed the parameter in. So event parameters and deals clean. And then we've only materialized those models and their downstream dependencies. So yeah, I just thought this was like a really, really cool pattern, like much better than just running everything daily and then when everything's done daily again. Particularly nice for event-driven workflows. But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments.